guys, Elvira's back. So we're gonna grab our measuring cups. You're gonna need a 1/3 cup and a cup. Let's see, 1/4. Okay. So what we're gonna do, going down, we are going to take 1/3 cup of cold water first. Put it in a bowl. We're going to get 1/3 cup of lemon juice. You're going to use a tablespoon of seasoned salt, tablespoon of black pepper, and a cup of vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Then basil, tablespoon of basil. I'm gonna mix this up. Knife here. So let's take a teaspoon to taste, because we might need more seasoning. Sometimes I always tell people it's seasoned to taste. That's good. Very good. It's almost like Italian without the oil. So, then we're going to mix this up. That's what it looks like, guys. Now, we're going to put it in, pour this all around it. Just going to get coated really good. Looks like. Now, let's try it. Very good. Might need a little more. Another tablespoon of salt, pepper, and some more basil. But and then you'll put it in a bowl. Don't put it in a bowl and chill, and then it serves. It gives 6 servings, 1/2 cups, and taste it. Bingo. Got it. And for 1/2 cup. 21 calories. Can you believe that? 21 calories for that 1/2 cup. And there's no oil. It's all healthy. You can't beat it. So, there you go, guys. Vegetable salad. And 21 calories for a 1/2 cup serving. And we're also going to put a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. I forgot that. Just a dash. Like that. Let's see if we can taste it now. Very good. That is some good salad. And where can you beat 21 calories? There you go, guys. 21 calories for this 1/2 cup. I just call it vegetable salad. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a blessed evening. Have a great work week, guys. See you next weekend. Elvira says God bless to everybody. Don't forget to hit the like and don't forget to hit subscribe. Bye.